Nami ongiholayo. Are you guys having a good time? You guys having a good time? I want to teach you a new song. Lithi alikwigama elinye elingafaniswa njengelakhe. So I want to teach you that song quickly today. Alikwigama elinye elingafaniswa njengelakhe. Alikwigama elinye elingafaniswa njengelakho. Lithi alikwigama elinye elingafaniswa njengelakho. Lithi alikwigama elinye elingafaniswa njengelakho. Lithi alikwigama oh elinye elingafaniswa njengelakho. Come on, Ikamala, everybody, Ikamala, 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 hey, Susa ukwesana, oh, Ikamala, say Ikamala, and Ikamala. If you know, you can sing with me. Say alikwigama elinye elingafaniswa njengelakho. Help me out. Say alikwigama oh elinye elingafaniswa njengelakho. Alikwigama elingafaniswa njengelakho. Alikwigama elinye elingafaniswa njengelakho. Oh, alikwigama elinye elingafaniswa. Now you deserve hands for that. We got hands for you. I know you guys possibly know the song. Lithi ungizungezi nasemo phambili wabekisa sakho phezu ungizungezile nasemuva phambili wabekisa sakho phezu When you feel distance and darkness near, my faith is waiting through doubt and fear. Oh, this I know with all my heart and all my soul. You guys enjoyed the show this morning? You guys enjoyed the show? So I want to tell you guys, our new album is out. It's called All About Jesus. You're going to find all the songs that we're singing this morning, and if you guys get an opportunity to find it in stores, please do. And of course, it's available online on all digital platforms, iTunes, Google Play Store. Thank you so much for the wonderful support. We really, really appreciate it so much. There's a song that says it's at the cross where Jesus gave everything. He gave it just for me. Gave breath of life, and he bled and died. Surrendered all just for me. It's at the cross. Jesus gave, oh, gave everything just for me, Gave breath of life, bled and died, surrendered all why I give you me. This is why I give you me. You gave it all to me, God. So you gave it all to me. Come on, I said this is why I give you me. 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 Why? Because you gave it all. You gave it all. Everything that I need, God. You gave it all. Come say, it's at the cross, Lord. Oh, it's at the cross. Come on, say what Jesus gave it all for me. Just for me. Just for me. Breath of life. Breath of life. Let him die. Let him die. Surrender all. Surrender all. Just for me. Just for me. This is why I give you me. This is why I give you me. This is why I have no fear. This is why I have no fear. You gave it all. You gave it all. You gave it all for me. Hey, you gave it all. You gave it all. Take me to the chorus, say. So you gave it all. 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 Yeah, Lord, you gave it all. You gave it all. Thank you for rescuing me. Thank you for protecting me in spite of it all. Everything that I did, in spite of it all. Another song says, and we will never settle for less, 'cause we know there's more that's found in you. Can you help me sing it? Oh, and we will never settle. That's right. Come on, everybody, say it. We know, come on, there's more that's found in you. And we will never, and we will never. We'll never settle for less. Say we know. We know there's more that's found in you. And we will never settle for less. We'll never settle for less. Okay. We know. Come on. There's more that's found in you. Say it's in you, Lord. It's in you, Lord. It's in you, Lord. We know there's more that's found in you. Say it's in you, Lord. It's in you, Lord. It's in you, Lord. We know. Come on. We know there's more that's found in you. Oh, God, and we will never settle for less. We know there's more that's found in you. One more last time. Come on, sing with me. And we will never settle for less. You guys sound so amazing. We know. Thank you so much for having us today. God bless you guys so much. We love you. Thank you for having us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.